Hello everyone, this is Donetta McDowell with the Montana Career Lab. Today I'm going to walk you through how to log in to the Montana Career Information System and how to access checklists. The checklists are an easy way to navigate through MCIS step by step and to keep track of the activities you have completed. We will start by going to the Montana Career Lab webpage. In your address bar, type in lmi.mt.gov/career, or you can also type careers.mt.gov. To log in to MCIS, you will navigate to and click on the MCIS login button on the upper right-hand side of the screen. You are now directed to the login screen. In the blue MCIS login area, type in your username and password provided to you from your teacher or counselor. If you're not sure who to ask, you can also contact us at 406-444-7019 or send an email to mcrn@mt.gov, and we will get you the information you need. Now I will type in my username and password to log in. Next few screens you will see if this is the first time you have ever logged into MCIS. First, you will set up 2 security questions. Click on the drop-down and select a question, then type in your answer. Second, you are going to see the My Portfolio Access page. This page may be different depending on your school's privacy settings. The major advantage of creating a personal portfolio within CIS is to save the results of your research. You can save your answers to the various assessments and sorts in case you can't finish in one visit, or to restore the results and continue your exploration. Click on the Yes option below. It is important to check Yes so that your teacher or counselor can review and help you with your career goals. If your school automatically opts into the privacy policy, then you will see this screen. You will now be logged into your own personal portfolio page. At the top of your screen, you should see the name of the school your portfolio is under. The colored navigation bar across your screen should be red if you are logged into the high school site. It will be a lime green color if you are logged into a junior site. The junior site is for students 5th through 8th grade. Now I am going to show you where to find the checklists. Checklists are an easy way to navigate through MCIS. Let me show you the steps. Hover over the My Portfolio tab. Go to where it says, How do I track my career activities? Click on Checklists. You will now see the checklist page. These are the state default checklists for 9th, 10th, 11th, and 12th grades. Your schools may have different checklists available to you. Depending on what grade you're in, go to the correct grade and click the View button on the right. I will show you some examples from the 9th grade checklist. First, let me explain to you what the different icons mean. The circle with the question mark is the help icon. Click on this icon to learn what is required to meet the activity. The pencil icon is for activities that you will click on and record how you met the activity. The 2 red asterisks mean that the activity is required. Let's move on to the first activity. Update personal information is the first activity in the 9th grade checklist. Click on the link. This opens up your personal information. On the right side, you can click to edit your information. You can now see the fields for your name, address, phone, and email information. The information that you enter here is actually going to help you create your resume. I will go ahead and type in some made-up info to show you the process. and then click on the Save button. When you are done saving that information, go up to the X at the top right of your screen. That will take you back to your checklist, and now you will see that there is a green circle with a check in it. This is just telling you that a check is required whether it's you that is self-checking, a parent, a guardian, and/or your teacher or counselor. Once someone checks the box that says self-review, the circle will change to a solid dark green and the date will be recorded. This means that the activity is done. I forgot to mention earlier what the circle icons stand for. The white circle means there is no progress. A half green circle means that there is partial progress. The light green circle with a check mark means that someone needs to check your progress to make sure the activity has been completed. And as I said, the dark green circle means that the activity is completed. Now you are just going to keep moving on to the next activity on the list. The next one is the Career Cluster Inventory. Click on the link. The Career Cluster Inventory is 80 short questions. You will rate each activity by if you like it very much, like, you're not sure, or dislike. To get started, click on the blue button that says Rate the Activities. The first activity is, do you like to go fishing? The next activity is, do you like to build a stone path at a park? Just kind of think about what you like to do. You don't have to think too much about it, but make sure you're giving it some thought. Make sure that you are not consistently clicking on the Not Sure button. If you click the Not Sure button too many times, you will not get good results. So make sure that you're choosing like very much, like, or dislike for each question. Continue answering all the questions until you get to the end. You will be able to save your results by clicking on the Save button above with the star. Once you click Save, you will be able to enter some thoughts about the assessment. Click the Save Information button. This will take you to your portfolio page where it shows that it was saved. So now you're going to hover over My Portfolio tab and click on Checklists to get back to them. Now just continue going down the list and doing the rest of your activities. You can see that this is a simple step-by-step way to get through activities in MCIS. Thanks for watching. I hope this will help you and your teachers while you're working from home. You can also find us on Facebook, where you can find other activities and information. Please share with us other things you or your school are doing. Also remember, you can contact us by phone at 406-444-7019 or by email at mcrn@mt.gov. Thanks again and have a great day.